Bonjour les amis, vous avez tous déjà appris les verbes réguliers IR, ER et IR. You have already learned the regular verbs ER and IR. Aujourd'hui, je vais commencer par les verbes réguliers RE. Today, I am going to begin with the regular verb RE. Il y a trois les verbes réguliers en français. There are three regular verbs in French. ER, IR and RE. Now today, how to conjugate the comment conjuguer les verbes réguliers RE? How to conjugate the regular verb RE? Pour conjuguer les verbes réguliers RE, supprimez et ajouter, supprimez RE et ajouter la termination suivante. For conjugating the regular verb RE, drop RE and add the following endings. RE, okay. S, nothing. ONS, EZ, ENT. You have to drop RE and add S, nothing. ONS, EZ, ENT. Now, attendre, ENT, to wait for. J apostrophe because it is a vowel. ATTEND. We are dropping the RE. Don't write RE. To. ATTEND. ILELLENON. Same thing. ATTEND. No. ATT, woo. This is plural side, ATTEND. ILS, masculine, ATTEND. ELLES, feminine, ATTEND. Now you have to add S. Nothing. Okay, you don't add anything. ONS, EZ, ENT. J'attends, I wait or I am waiting for. Tu attends, you wait or you are waiting for. Il, ATTEND, he waits or he is waiting for. She waits or she is waiting for. ATTEND, ON, ATTEND, one waits or one is waiting for. No, attendez, ATTENDONS, VOUS, that is you all or you are talking with respect. ATTENDENT. No, this is DEZ. Sorry, I said of ILS. VOUS, ATTENDEZ, ILS, ATTENDENT, ELLES, ATTENDENT. You all are waiting for, they are waiting for, or they wait, they are waiting for, or they wait, feminine, masculine, plural. Okay, so this is a regular RE verb. So now what happens is we have already learnt ER verb, IR verb and RE verb. There are only three regular ER verbs. So you note down these endings and then to conjugate any regular ER, IR or RE becomes very easy. S, nothing. ONS, EZ, ENT. S, RIA, that is nothing. ONS, EZ, ENT. That's all for today. C'est tout pour aujourd'hui.